Hi, everybody. I'm here with Normand. Such a great name.
French.
It's very French.
Yeah, it's from Normandy.
Normandy.
Normandy, which is a part of France.
Oh.
But I'm from Montreal.
Okay. Okay.
I don't really like
So
French.
you're only kind of French?
I'm speaking French.
You're like a half-assed
Mother
French?
language is French, yeah.
All right. So you are here today to talk about Cavalia, which is a show that everybody tells me is the most magnificent thing ever, but I'm hearing now it's bigger and better than ever. The horses, the dancing, the drama, the sparkles, the glitter. Normand, what can we expect this year?
It's a total new show. We're using the same ingredient, which are acrobatic, multimedia, music, horses, of course, but it's a total new show. The show that we brought here in 2009 called Cavalia. Now this show is called Odyssey. How would you say it? Odyssey? Odyssey. Oh.
Odyssey. That's
Odysseo.
Odysseo.
Like an Odyssey.
Okay. Another Odyssey.
Odyssey. Exactly. Odyssey.
Right. So I'm fascinated by the horses. That's an interesting element to this. So at what age are the horses trained to start doing this kind of performance art?
First, let's go back a little bit.
Okay. You
I
had me at the horses.
Yeah, right. I'm one of the guys who started Cirque du Soleil, and when I left Cirque, I wanted to do something different. So I created that show, Cavalia, that involved horses. I didn't know nothing about horses, but I wanted to do something totally different, go to another world. And I knew going to the horse world will be something very different. But now that I know what is horse and I know how to train horses, I'm not a trainer, but Cavalia have been existing for 8 years. I wanted to do something even more challenging. And we start with the space. Like we're touring under a big top tent. The first Cavalia tent was the biggest touring tent in the world.
And I hear this time is bigger.
Odysseo is 2.5 times bigger, because I wanted to allow the horses to have enough space to have more fun. And we almost have twice horses, twice the amount of artists. So the show is about twice bigger.
Well, bigger is better. And
You said it.
I said it. It definitely is. So the horses... Now, how old? What is the age of a horse? Because this is clearly some pretty intense training for a horse and the horse trainers to go through to get the horses to perform this way.
Yeah, some horses will require a lot of training, but other will not. We prefer not to train them because a lot of time when they come on stage, they're totally free, and we like them to be a little bit wild and to be a real horse and just to be. They need to know the trainer, they need to know the artist because they need to be friendly with them. But other than that, sometimes we don't ask the horse to do nothing except for running, except for having fun. In the show, you get to see almost half of the time horse look like wild, and we like to keep them almost wild because that's the best way. I think they are very expressive. The other half of the show, the horses are ridden. And when you ride the horse, of course, it requires a lot of training, especially when you go to what we call the dressage horse, like the Spanish step and all that. That's very complicated for a horse, so it will require up to 5 years, 6 years of training. So the average of age of our horses is 7 years old. That's the average.
Average age is 7 years old. So in horse years, in horse age, that's kind of like a baby. It's a young horse.
Not real. I mean, horse can live up to 30, 35
Right.
years old.
Okay.
We keep them touring up to 20 years old. They get retired at 20 years old. Not that because they have worked too much, it's because at one point they get bored.
Okay.
Of
The
doing
horses
the
get
same
bored?
thing. Yes.
I guess
it's
so,
like-
because when you think about it, horses like to work. I mean, their instinct is to work.
Well, their instinct is to play. It's not to work. We transform the play instinct and fighting instinct because we have only male, and male between them, they can be pretty nasty. So we try to challenge their fighting instinct into play
Okay,
mode.
okay.
So when they come on stage, for them, it's like the playground. But when you get, like you and I, the day we're going to get At the 70s, I mean, we're going to change game, and that's what we do with horse. That's why
Okay.
when they get to 20 years old, we prefer they're not in
You
so
put
much
them out to
playful.
pasture.
We put them out to pasture.
They-
Some of the horse we gave
They
them
don't get a
to
facelift or any Botox or anything like that.
they don't need. I mean, you know, that's the most magnificent thing working with horses. You don't need makeup, you don't need costume. You just put a bare horse, make him walk, run, trot, and it's just magnificent.
Okay,
because I
let's
think
talk-
they're the most beautiful animal on earth.
They are. Let's talk about some of these contortionists that you have in your shows. Now, you have pretty much been the man behind the scenes of bringing this to life. Are you flexible, and can you do any, you personally, can you put your hands, your legs behind your head, or do a cartwheel, anything like that, Normand?
Nothing. Just nothing. You know? I can barely run because I'm working too much. Sit down. No. I've been with Cirque du Soleil for many years.
Right.
And I've never been on a trapeze. I've been with Cavalia for almost 10 years now. Never been on a horse. It's just a question of vision. I'm the one who create all that. I'm working with a great team.
Okay.
We have a great team of trainers, choreographer, set designer, all that. I mean, it's a big team that create the show.
Well, I'm all excited talking to you, so I'm going to go see the show. Odysseo.
Yeah, that's good.
Do I have to go like this, or what I say?
Not really. If you want.
Okay,
If you're looking for a job, then you'll come for an audition.
Could you imagine? Oh, what, are you hiring for people who go like this?
Yeah.
It was lovely to meet you.
My pleasure.
And everybody should see the show. It's going to be going on for a while, and we look forward to it. Thanks for
Thank-
stopping by Dave FM.
Thank you for having me.